So our first lesson now, we start with our first Power BI, 7 pillar of Power BI, which is extraction. This is data extraction, where we extract our data, where we import the data set. So now I'm going to be making use of an Excel data. You will find it in the link below this video. Just check it, click on that link. It take you to my GitHub page where you can download this particular data set and make use of it. So now this is where we can get our data. You can import it. You can import data from Excel, SQL Server, and import data from anywhere you want to use your data. So just come here, come to this space, just click on the get data. You can see now that we have Excel workbook, Power BI data set, data flow, data vast, SQL server. These are the various data sources that we can import our data set, data that we want to use for our dashboard from. So for the uh, for the for this particular video, I'm going to be making use of an Excel. I'm going to connect this data there. I'm going to be importing my data from Excel. So just click on the Excel. What you need is you click on the Excel workbook, and it will take you to the particular place where maybe probably where your data set is. So just you locate where your data set is. So this is where my data set is. So just make sure that you store the data set where you can easily get them or easily locate it. So this is where my data set is. So this is the data I want to use. This budget data, this is what we are going to be using for this particular data analysis, this particular report, and this particular for this lesson. So I'm going to be making use of this budget data. Then you open the budget data, open the dotted data, just click on it and open it. So it will take us to this particular phase where we can preview the data set that we want to be using. We use so this is the particular data set. You can see now you can preview what you want to use. This is the particular data set that I want to use. So this is what I want to use for this video. So this is how we can extract data from the various sets. So this is what data extraction is all about. When you are hear about data extraction, it's just importing our data set, the data set that we want to use from various sources, data sources. It's either from Excel, from CSV file, from SQL database, or any various data sources that you want to use. So extraction means importing our data set from various data set we want to use. That is what extraction is what all about. So this what we just did now is data extraction in Power BI.